डिजाइन पैकेजेस विद सिविल इंजीनियरिंग, इलेक्ट्रिकल, मैकेनिकल, कौन सा डिसिप्लिन, सबको कैटेगराइज करना। आप फीड के अंदर ये सारी चीजें बना लेते हो। आई एम गोइंग टू गाइड यू विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ऑयल एंड गैस एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन एज वेल, डोंट वरी। वी आर गोइंग टू ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड हाउ वी कैन make it feasible for our own feed. So design packages will be the part of feed, front end engineering design. You are going to prepare basic design like building है, तो आप कहते हो अच्छा यार इसमें सब स्ट्रक्चर आ जाएगा, सुपर स्ट्रक्चर, MEP, but you are going to categorize them. Substructure inside civil, MEP under mechanical, electrical and plumbing, right? Then whatever cost you are going to define over there, that cost at this level, conceptual design level, at this level, whatever cost there will be, that will be having 30% up and down. Like, okay, you understand what I mean? 30% accuracy. Like if you are going to define like 30% up and down, if I'm going to define my project is going to worth of 1000 rupees, it can be like 1300, it can be 700, 30% up and down. But here the accuracy of cost will be 10% more accurate because we have drawn more detailed drawings, right? And then basis for bidding, how we are going to award that project. फीड के अंदर ये सारी चीजें रहेंगी कि आप इन डॉक्यूमेंट्स को प्रिपेयर करते हो स्टेप बाय स्टेप. Okay, consultant is going to help in this stage. Consultant is actually helping the client is going to hire this guy consultant, and consultant is doing all of these things. Okay, and then project award, they are going to go and advertise in the market to find this guy. Contractor को ढूंढा जाता है. इस प्रोसेस को हम बोलेंगे ITT or ITB. ITT, invitation to tender or invitation to bid, ITB. Here different kind of contractors or service companies are going to participate in this bidding stage, and one of the finest, one of the competent ठेकेदार service company will be hired on the basis of these feed documents, that who is going to develop this project. You understand? Then the planning phase is going to start. The planning phase के अंदर क्या होगा, because that was basic design, that was not the fully, now the detailed design will be started. The design engineers are going to make that detailed drawings on the basis of this feed document, and then there will be a 30%, 60%, not 90% procurement model. When your project design is 30% completed, they are going to start ordering, outsourcing the material for the long lead items. जिन चीजों को like acquire करने में it will take a lot of time, 2 months, more than 6 months. You need to take that item from Germany, from USA, from China. It will take a lot of time. So when your design is 30% done, you are going to make order of certain items. When 60% is done, that is actually to facilitate our project to avoid from any time waste. And 90% model, when finishing items like cables and which are easily available in the market. Like this is actually a model. I will be getting into the details of each and everything once we are going to start this planning and control. This is the complete overview. I'm going to guide you people with respect to different kind of milestones. And then alignment with procurement. Okay, alignment with procurement when design. Of course, I told you EPC. What does mean by EPC? Engineering, procurement, and construction. You are going to align each phase with another. Engineering with procurement and procurement with construction. So alignment with procurement, finding the dependency model, and then project schedule. As a planning engineer, you are going to develop that project schedule, which will be comprised of project work. Kitna kaam karna hai? That would be called as scope baseline. What is we need to deliver? Building के अंदर एक story, दो story, we have to write down each and everything, and that would be started with WBS. Then there is a schedule baseline like time management. Then there is cost baseline. Then resource requirement plans, right? So एक project schedule के अंदर on the basis of understand all of these things in very easiest way. How project is going to start, and यहाँ तक जो भी डाटा आपको मिला है उससे प्रोजेक्ट शेड्यूल कैसे बनाना है, उस प्रोजेक्ट शेड्यूल में कौन कौन सी चीजें होनी चाहिए. दिस इज वर्क, हाउ मच वर्क, time management, cost management, and resource management. So within this document, you are going to prepare each and everything. And then the next phase is going to start, which is called execution work. Your mobilization will be started. Your team is going to, mobilize on the site area. ITT Wasim, invitation to tender or invitation to bid ITB. Okay. So execution is going to start, and my friend, mobilization is first of all they are going to issue mobilization letter. Machinery is going to mobilize on the site area. वहां पे जाएगी. पिछले भी आपको milestones याद होने चाहिए. कुछ milestones आपने करने हैं, कुछ आपके senior लोगों ने करने हैं. Initiate phase is totally belong to the senior management. So planning, detailed design के बाद जब designer तैयार कर लेते हैं, the planning engineer from fresher level is also going to be involved with their job roles. अपनी अपनी job role के depend करता है, right? You need to understand. Execution में क्या होगा? Mobilization is going to happen. Mobilization, construction. After mobilization, you are going to start that work as per project schedule. अब project schedule के मुताबिक like आज 10 जनवरी आज क्या करना था, tomorrow is what is supposed to do as per that. This is your guide. This is your recommendation from the client and all that. Project schedule, right? Execution phase is only to do that work as per the project schedule in practical way. That is execution phase. And the next phase is called monitor and control. Of course, these both phases are going in parallel. Execution, as soon as execution is going to start, your monitoring and control is also going to start it at the same time. Whatever is being done on the site area, जो भी हो रहा है उसको monitor करना है. There is site team, QA/QC team. You understand? They are going to document आज कितना excavation हुआ, welding कितनी होगी, कितनी installation हुई, कितने equipment को हमने transport किया, कितना मतलब as per project schedule, कितना road बना, कितनी reach तैयार हो गई, right? Test लगाना, क्या ये काम ठीक हुआ या नहीं हुआ? Is that work is qualified one? Test को approve किया या नहीं? So they are going to document each and everything, and that is called reporting. So planning engineer is going to make analysis of this plan work from project schedule and the site work. यहाँ से site work आ जाएगा ना reporting से. The guys who are on the site area, they are going to deliver you all those daily progress reports. आज इतना काम किया. Now planning engineer is going to make comparison between this site work versus this planned work. Planned work will come from project schedule and site work will come from the site people. And then they are going to implement this methodology, which is called earned value management analysis, very advanced technique of project management. And on the basis of this methodology, we are going to develop our progress reports. And this phase, which is actually inside the execution, as soon as it is going to start, monitor and control is going to start. This is only reporting and progress report preparation during execution phase. ताकि पता चले ना भाई project क्या चल रहा है, हर week में, हर दिन जो भी है. And then the closing phase. क्या मतलब closing का? आपका 1 साल का project है. You after 1 year, as per contractual milestone, you are going to analyze कि time complete हो गया project का. If the project is 100% is done, then you are going to deliver that project. If project is 70% is done, but time is completed, you are going for EOT, extension of time. You are going to claim for extra time. That is another story as well, which will be covered by delay analysis and claims management. So please let me know in the chat box area, are you familiar now with this complete milestone oriented diagram? Is that understandable? If any project is going to start, there is feasibility. What does mean by feasibility? Conceptual design, like objectives, project definition, location, then feed, then what is inside the feed, then this one, then and how this project, either there is any project, building, whatever. Please let me know in the chat box area. Is that clear to understand? ITB, invitation to tender. Earned value management, EVMS. EVMS means earned value. That is a complete project management methodology, which we will cover in the later part of this our session as per topic sequence, right? Please let me know in the chat. EOT, extension of time. It is little bit design package, like you are going to define, my friend, like design package, you are going to make building. So civil का package होगा, civil का design तैयार होगा, electrical का, mechanical का, ठीक है? Okay, तो उनको define करना है. Civil का अलग से है. Yeah, planning, ये complete planning है. There is a one question, what is the difference between planning and this is complete planning, and this is scheduling. Scheduling is only relating to the prepare this project schedule using Primavera P6, whereas to complete this cycles, which is dealing with the complete cycle, is called project planning. Yes, work